Hey Mike, 2 boxes of rookie anthology. I went with 76, Subban, just signed the new deal, and 42, the infamous Kyle Wellwood. Alright. Good luck to you, sir. Definitely some fat packs.
This is an extremely unfortunate injury that occurred on a highly variable scale. Anywhere.
Alright, we'll go 76 Subban first. Fat pack right on top. Good luck to you. Oh, we got a Dominion card. Nice. John Gibson. Gold rookie auto patch. Numbered 1/25. A little bit of yellow on the left side, so I call it 3 colors.
In any official terms, but I spoke to a couple people who were at the hospital last night when he came out of surgery. And
that's the way to start a break. Alright. Mark Kandari. Dan Carcillo Select.
And it really breaks the heart of
Hartzell, Score, Corey Schneider, Gold out of 100. This one's really fat too. It's titanium. Ryan Spooner. That's supposed to be a patch. Awesome one-color patch out of 25. Victor Bartley, Score, Josh Levo, Prism. Zemgus Girgensons, jersey auto from Select out of 199. It's a nice card. Another fat pack. Can I go with another Dominion? Zach Parise, Luxury Suite. Nice stick piece. 199. DeKaiser, Score, and who's that? Matt Nieto, Prism. Got Nick Jensen, Gold Score rookie. Hey. Frankie Corrado, Anthology, auto jersey at 249. Nice 2 colors. Stephen Weiss, Select Prism. Riley Smith, Prism Base. Big hit. Matt Donovan, Score Signatures. I'm sure that's like the 4th one you've got, Mike.
Personal draft?
Yeah. Showing hot rookies and Alexei Marchenko, Select rookie.
Ooh, Gibson. Nice.
Alright, second box. Jordan Swartz, Select Prism rookie auto at 99. Let's hope for something McKinnon. Taylor Beck, Score rookie. Jason Magna, Prism. Fat pack. It's Dominion. See Bobkov, Score, and Connor Murphy. Mammoth jersey. Out of 50. This is another fat pack. Could be Luxury Suite. Yeah, it's Luxury. See David Perron, Prism, and Jordan Stahl.
Oh, nice stick though.
Yeah, nice stick piece out of 199. This has a hit. Thomas Yurko, Score, and nice. Jacob Trouba, Prism jersey auto, rookie out of 99. Ryan Strome, Prism. I guess that's what they're called. Prisms. Prism Refractor, rookie.
Prism.
Michael Chaput, rookie.
Michael Shafut.
That's a great name. Sounds Yiddish.
Better than Schuster.
Jared Stahl, score rookie, and Corey Schneider, Prism. Andre Pavelec, gold out of 100. Frederick Anderson, score, and Magnus Hellberg, Prism. Semi-fat pack. Mike Koska, dual prime jersey, rookie auto, 1 out of 50. eBay 101. Alright, last one. Come on, McKinnon, show up. Got Antti-Ranta, score hot rookies, and close but no cigar. Jonas Gustafsson, score signatures auto. Not bad. Trouba and Gibson are pretty good. I mean, don't see this card too often, so that's a nice hit. Alright, thanks, Mike.